Hello, welcome to the Hi-Fi Triangle tutorial videos. Today we will guide you step by step on how to connect and operate AIO TWIN speakers. Start by installing your speakers on your suitable furniture or stands, then connect the active and passive speakers together using the speaker cable provided. Be sure to respect the polarities of the connection by connecting the cable with inscriptions on the red terminal. You should be able to pull on the cables without them coming loose. Repeat for the passive speaker. Then plug the power cable into the active speaker, then into an AC outlet and press the power button. Your speakers will then enter initialization. When finished, the white LED lights up and 4 musical notes are played. To connect your speakers to your home network, start by downloading the Triangle AIO app. It is available on the App Store for iOS users and on the Google Play Store for Android users. In order to connect via Ethernet, plug an RJ45 cable into the back of the active speaker. This cable is not included, but is easily accessible in stores. If you prefer a wireless connection to your home internet network, make sure that your router is 2.4 GHz and that your wireless network is strong enough at the speaker. Start by pressing the connect button on the back of the active speaker.
Entering setup mode. Follow the instructions in the app to finish the setup.
Then launch the Triangle AIO app on your phone. Once in the app, tap plus to add a device. Then go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Select the Triangle AIO TWIN network and return to the Triangle app. Then select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password for your home network. All you have to do is rename your device and enjoy your music directly from the Triangle AIO app. AIO TWIN speakers have Bluetooth technology. To connect your device via this protocol, press the BT button on your remote. A blue LED will appear and start flashing. The pairing mode is then activated. Go to your device's Bluetooth settings search and select AIO TWIN Triangle. Once your device is properly paired, the blue LED remains solid. The connection will be made automatically the next time you turn on your speakers, if the Bluetooth source is selected and your device's Bluetooth is turned on. First, if your turntable allows it, remember to connect the ground wire to the ground connection provided on the speaker. Then connect the RCA cables according to the color of the connections. If your turntable does not have a phono preamplifier, position the RCA selector on phono on the left, otherwise leave it on line. To select the source, press the RCA phono button on the remote control. The LED lights up green. All you have to do is set up your turntable and enjoy the music. You can connect your CD player, your network player, or any compatible device. To do this, connect the RCA cable of your device to the speaker, respecting the colors of the connections, and position the RCA selector on line on the right. Press the RCA phono button on your remote control to choose the source. The LED will then turn green. If your RCA input is already taken, you can use the auxiliary connector. To do this, connect your device to your speaker using a 3.5mm jack cable. Press the AUX 3.5 button on the remote control. The LED lights up yellow. Also, you should know that depending on your device, it is also possible to connect it optically. In this case, select the appropriate source on the remote control. You can connect your TV or a compatible device using an optical cable. To do this, connect the cable from your device's output to the speaker's optical input, then select optical on the remote. The LED lights up purple. Finally, please go to your product settings and make sure that the audio output settings of the signal are on stereo PCM. For an even better sound in the bass, you can add a subwoofer. To do this, connect the SUB out output of your active speaker to the line-in inputs of your subwoofer with an RCA cable. Manually adjusting the cutoff frequency is necessary in order to get the most out of your subwoofer. To do this, set the frequency to 70 Hz by turning the potentiometer. Then connect the subwoofer to its power supply and turn it on. You can, if you wish, adjust the sound settings of your speakers. To do this, you can use the buttons on the remote control or the AIO app by going to the EQ settings of your speakers. Adjust the bass with the bass plus and bass minus buttons. For the treble, you will need to use the treble plus and treble minus buttons. If necessary, you can return the equalizer to factory settings by using the Reset EQ button on your remote control or app. You can change the source without the remote control from your AIO app or through the button on the back of the active speaker. AIO TWIN speakers have preset buttons on the remote control, allowing you to instantly access your favorite content. Simply save a playlist, radio station, or music source on one of the numbered buttons via the app. Once configured, these buttons allow you to start playback directly without going through the app. The dimmer function of the AIO TWIN allows you to adjust the LED display on the front. Using the remote control, you can turn off the LED light for more discreet use. If you want to install your AIO TWIN speakers on stands like the S02, remember to remove the metal bars located under the speakers. This allows for a stable installation that is suitable for this type of stand. Consider registering your speakers on trianglehifi.com to extend the warranty to 3 years. Need help? Our team is available via chat or email on our website. The entire Triangle Hi-Fi team wishes you great listening.